Bees' role in honey. Bees are remarkable insects that play a crucial role in the production of honey. They collect nectar from flowers, which they store in their honey stomachs. Enzymes in their stomachs begin to break down the nectar. When they return to the hive, they transfer the partially digested nectar to worker bees who continue the process by further breaking down the sugars and then depositing it into honeycomb cells. Bees then fan their wings to evaporate water from the nectar, reducing its moisture content to around 17 to 18%, which prevents fermentation. This concentrated nectar is what we know as honey. It's capped with beeswax and can be harvested by beekeepers. Honey is not only a delicious natural sweetener but also has antibacterial properties and is used in various culinary and medicinal applications. Beekeeping, or apiculture, is the practice of raising bees for honey production and pollination services, and it has been an important industry for centuries.